Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Starbucks Corporation, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in Starbucks Corporation, start by researching the company. Understand its business model and revenue streams. Review Starbucks financial statements to assess its performance. Check recent earnings reports and forecasts to gauge future growth potential. Evaluate market conditions and overall economic factors that may affect the coffee industry. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage platform that offers access to U.S. stocks. Complete the required registration process, including verifying your identity. Fund your brokerage account by transferring money from your bank. Search for Starbucks Corporation by its ticker symbol, SBUX. Decide how many shares you want to purchase. Consider your investment strategy, whether it's long-term or short-term. Place your order by selecting either a market order or a limit order. Review and confirm your order details before finalizing the purchase. Monitor your investment regularly to track Starbucks' performance. Stay updated with company news and industry trends that might impact your investment. Consider setting price alerts to help you make timely decisions in the future. Evaluate your investment portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be prepared for market fluctuations, and don't panic during short-term downturns. Consider reinvesting dividends if you hold shares long-term. Stay informed about any major changes in management or company strategy. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on your research and market developments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.